How to log into Walmart Employee Online Portal. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. Walmart is a one-stop shopping experience by combining a grocery store with fresh produce, bakery, deli and dairy products with electronics, apparel, toys and home furnishing. If you are the employee of Walmart and you want to log into the online portal, all you need to do is open up any tab and then search for Walmart Employee Login. Now you want to head over to the website, which is one.walmart.com. Here you want to click on the login option, which is at the top right corner of your screen. On the first box, you have to enter your Walmart identification number (WIN) or your user ID. After that, you want to select your country or region from this drop-down menu. Once you have selected it, here you want to select the location. You can choose from 4 different locations from this drop-down menu. After that, click on the Sign In option. Depending on your role and access permissions, you may need to navigate to the Walmart Wire for specific employee resources such as schedules, benefits, and company news. You can usually find a link to Walmart Wire within the Walmart One portal. After signing in, you will have access to your Walmart employee account where you can view your schedule, access Paystubs, and manage benefits and more. If you encounter any issues logging in or accessing your account, you can reach out to your store's management team or Walmart help desk for assistance. They can provide support and guidance to help you log in successfully and access the resources you need. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.